Okay, so let's take a look at the first thing we are going to do in coding in Minecraft. And we are going to code a conversation with our agent. Now, we're not even in the right spot in the world. When we started out in the world, it put us in a random location. So what we're going to need to do is we're going to need to teleport. And according to our instructions, we're going to teleport. You go /TP, and then you're going to put in the coordinates. Now your instructions give you the coordinates. You're going to move to 67 space 69 space -566. Now on the instructions, there's commas in between each of these. However, when you're typing them into the bar there, after you go /, you don't want to put the commas in because it won't work. When I hit enter, I'm now going to be in the right spot. Okay, we're going to be working on unit 1. Now I'm going to go past this one here, and don't really pay attention to this gal here because she's a little behind the times. Here's our agent. He's our bud, but we need to be able to program him to do stuff. So in order to do so, we are going to click C on the keyboard. This brings up our code builder, and we're going to use the Microsoft MakeCode. We don't have a license for Tinker, so we're not going to do that. So when I bring in the MakeCode, it's going to be a block-based drag and drop, just like you've done in Hour of Code and other things. And I'm going to start with a new project. I'm going to give my project a name. I'm going to call it Conversation. Okay, because my job is to code a conversation with my agent. So what's going to happen here is I'm going to open up this player toolbox because it's going to give me a lot of different things that I can use to do when I type in or I do something in the Minecraft world. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to chat with my agent. So on chat command, and I'm going to pull it out, even though, it had another one out here for me. I'm going to say on chat command, hello, because I'm going to talk to my agent. And it does make a difference on whether it's uppercase or lowercase. And also, I need to make sure, if I do hello there, I put an underscore. That's this lower piece right in between the two words. Sometimes it'll run just fine if you don't, but a lot of the problems you will run into is because the computer does not recognize the space in there. So it's an old-fashioned programming thing, and you have to put the underscore in. Okay, so when I type in hello there, I want my agent to say, hello, master. Okay, and now I don't have to worry about all of the underscoring things in the stuff that's being responded to, only in my command block. So I'm going to press play now, and now I'm in the regular Minecraft, and I'm going to go T for talk. Okay, and in here I'm going to put hello underscore there. And when I hit return, you can see on the screen up here, it says hello there, that I said it. And then my agent says, hello, master. Okay, it's good to get our agent on our side. Now, what you're going to do is you can continue to have a conversation with your agent by doing this several different times. So if I push C to come back to my code, I could have another one out here on chat command, and I'm going to do underscore again. How are you? Okay, and then I'm going to have the agent say, just might as well put the happy face in there. So if I do this now, I'm going to type in T. I'm going to go, hello there. Okay, he says, hello, master. Then I'm going to type in T again, how are you? And he gave me a smiley face. So that does the first part of the first workbook on the Unit 1, the agency. At the end of this, what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to fill in your answers to the questions at the end of it on page 7. And then move on to learning how to teleport your agent.